Students, in our previous video lecture, we discussed poetic drama, which was popular during the 20th century. In today's lecture, we want to discuss what a closet drama is. We will discuss the origin and the development of this type of drama, and at the end, we will have a look at some of the important examples of closet drama in English literature. So now let's begin. See, when we listen to this term drama, we think about a stage, we think about some actors performing live drama on the stage. But this closet drama is a unique type of drama, a genre which is not intended to be performed on the stage. Okay, it is meant to be read only. So the definition of closet drama is that it is a drama designed to be read rather than acted. So when the dramatist writes a drama, he never wishes that his drama would be performed on the stage. Okay, so it is just read like a novel. When the novelist writes a novel, the readers read the novels, but when a dramatist writes a drama, the audience watch the drama live on the stage. But when we talk about closet drama, it is also read just like a novel. If you want to know about the origin of closet drama, you need to go back to the times of Aristotle and Plato. It is believed that Plato, who was a great Greek philosopher, he wrote a drama, Apology. Now, this drama was actually a philosophical document. Okay, it was not performed on the stage, and this apology presents the character called Socrates and how Socrates replies to the charges of immorality laid against him by the society. So this drama, Apology, can be considered the root of closet drama. But we are not the students of Greek literature. If we talk about English literature, then you can say the first appearance of closet drama in English literature is found during the 17th century. See, if you read the history of England in 1642, public performances of the plays, they were banned by the parliament. Okay, but John Milton, he wrote a closet drama, Samson Agonis, and published it in 1671. By writing this drama, Milton actually wanted to send a message to the authorities, to the parliament, that no authorities can stop writing drama. Whether you allow our drama to be performed on the stage or not, we will continue writing our drama. So the first drama, 1671, Samson Agonis. Later on, this closet drama was not found popular during the 18th century, but if you come to the 19th century, the period of romantic revival, the period of John Keats, P.B. Shelley, S.T. Coleridge, and all these people, this closet drama became popular during the 19th century. Now the question is, why closet drama became popular during the 19th century? Then you see, most of the times, whether you talk about John Milton during the 17th century, or you talk about some romantic dramatists and poets during the 19th century, most of the times the reasons are having some social and political connections, right? See, if you come to the 17th century, Milton, I told you, wrote Samson Agonis in 1671, and he wanted to give a fight against the political leaders of his times. Okay, so there was a political reason why Milton wrote this closet drama. But if you come to the 19th century, again there is a social and political reasons why closet drama became popular. See, when we talk about romantic literature, produced during the 19th century. The Romantic writers are believed to be great revolutionary people. They always revolted against the government, against the parliament, against the authorities of the nation, and they wanted to express their own individual opinions, views on the society, on politics, which was not sometimes allowed by the government of those times. And that's why these writers like S.T. Coleridge, Robert Southey, and Wordsworth, and Lord Byron, and many others, they started writing this closet drama in order to revolt against the government. Another important thing is that during the 19th century there was a monopoly of the two most popular theatres in England, and they are Drury Lane and Covent Garden. And the government in those times, they had made a law which was entitled the Licensing Act, which was passed from 1737 to 1843. According to this act, the plays produced between September and June, they had to be performed at one of these two theaters only. There was no other chance where you can say, for example, if you write a drama and you wish that your drama be performed in some other theater apart from these two, other than these two theaters, it was not allowed by the government. And that's why these people like Coleridge, Shelley, Wordsworth, Byron, Robert Browning, Goethe, they started writing drama. They believed that whether you allow our drama to be performed on the stage or not, we will write a drama which will be read by the people. We don't need theater, we don't need a stage, and we don't need your permission to write the drama. So with this feeling of revolution, the Romantic writers of the 19th century, they popularized this type of drama known as closet play. If you want some major examples of some most important closet drama in English literature, I told you Samson Agonis, 1671 by John Milton. Then if you come to the end of the 18th century, we have the fall of Robespierre written by S.T. Coleridge and Southey. Now, Lord Byron in the beginning of the 19th century wrote Manfred, and then Shelley in 1820 published Prometheus Unbound, and Strafford is also an important closet play written by Robert Browning, and Goethe also wrote Faust. The first part was published in 1808 and the second part was published in 1832. So this is how, if we talk about closet drama, you should remember two time periods: 17th century John Milton, Samson Agonis, and 19th century Romantic writers. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please do share this among your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching. Thank you.